There are some beautiful homes here. I'd like to start by giving you a shot of the neighborhood. This is directly across the street from the house, and this is looking down the street. This is the house next door, and this is the home we're going to go inside and see. So before I go inside, I'd like to show you the little porch area here. There's a little sitting space on both sides. Okay, let's go inside. So this is a 2-story traditional brick home with 5 bedrooms and 5 baths. It's a little less than 4,900 square feet, and it sits on 3/4 of an acre. To my right, an entry receiving room, den, and to the left is the dining room. Give you a quick peek of that before we walk on through. Beautiful coffered ceilings in this home. Let's see what the kitchen looks like. So guests would come in, walk through the entry into an inviting family space. Clearly it's big enough for a sectional or multiple large pieces of furniture. Fireplace, outdoor deck that we'll take a look at later, and an open kitchen. Nice neutral colors, granite counters. I'm going to give you another angle of this. This is where the breakfast nook is. You see that's where the master is. We'll go down there in just a minute. We have the open kitchen, the exit to the front door, and this nice family room space. So let's go through to the dining room. Through the kitchen here, there is access to the dining room. It has a nice view of the front of the house, brings in some nice light. Plenty of room if you wanted to do a little buffet there. You'd have space. Let's take a look down this hallway where we have the master. So right here is the kitchen pantry. It's nice. It has 3 sides of shelves. Plenty of space for whatever you'd want to store here. We have a laundry room, and just for mental note, this is one of 2 laundry rooms in the house. There's a second one upstairs. Across from the master is the garage through the laundry room. I want you to have a look at this. Plenty of storage, several doors going to additional storage. There's some space around the corner there. It is a 3-car garage. Central vac system there. Let's take a look here and see. There's that corner there. The master, nice big master. I want to step back and show you these beautiful coffered ceilings again. It's enough space to put a huge dresser or armoire on this wall. Ensuite bath. Same granite as the kitchen. His and hers sinks. Bottom mount. Corner soaking tub. I want you to see the shower. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to open this up so plenty of shelving. Little natural light that comes in the shower. The toilet room. And a walk-in closet. Plenty of room here, as you can see. So let's go to the stairs. We come back through the master hallway, through the living space, back out to the front, and we're going to go up these stairs you see to my right. I just want to do a quick zoom of the side of these stairs because they have a little personality. Now I'm upstairs, and I'm showing you just around the corner of the railing kind of what we've got here. As you come up the stairs, we're going to have a bedroom to the right, a bathroom, and another bedroom to the right. So we're going to take a look at that, and then as we go on over around the corner, you'll see there is another space. So let's explore right around the corner here. Bedroom 2. Nice size. Has a standard closet. Let's just make sure that we don't have any surprise space that I wasn't expecting. No, it's a standard closet. And as we come out, to the right is the full bath, tub shower unit, same sinks as the master, same granite, all matches. And then we have bedroom 3. This has a twin bed in it, but this wall is very long, so there would be no problem putting any size bed in this room. This has a nice size closet. It really is a walk-in closet. It's deep enough. There are shelves, lots of space for hanging, and then more shelves on the side. Another full bath, tub shower unit, little linen closet here. So I'm going to reorient you now. From where the stairs are, we've already gone to the right, and we saw these rooms here. We turned the corner and saw the first bathroom right here, and immediately across from it is another bedroom. So this would be bedroom 4. It's very deep. They have this set up as a music room right now. Plenty of room for any furniture you'd want to use this as a bedroom, with a standard size closet. We come on over through the hall, and here is the second laundry room. So you can have a laundry room where your kids learn to do their own laundry and you don't ever have to see it. Or if you just don't want to go downstairs to do the laundry. There is a huge living space here for hanging out, and they obviously have been using it for a pool. You could use it for all kinds of things. Let's come through and pan it from here. So this room is just a nice playroom, game room, hangout room. Comes straight off that hallway. Let's give you another pan of it. You could clearly have a lot more furniture in here than what they have. There's so much space. Good lighting too. And then right here is another bedroom. So this is bedroom 5. As you come in, there is a large closet here. That's a little storage area. It's not finished space, but it is space. Another full bath with a tub shower unit. And I'm assuming this is a linen. Yep. So I'm going to step back here and let you see this from the other side where the toilet is. And as we come out, that's where we came from, where the hangout room was, the closet, and into this huge bedroom. This is a teenager's dream. You can have a bedroom, furniture, whatever you'd want in here. They've taken advantage of the storage space in the attic right there and there. Very tall ceilings. I'm going to step back and show you these ceilings so you can see how large this room looks. Isn't that nice? The same peaked ceilings here in this hangout room. Let's see what the outside looks like. So now we're going to go outside. I've opened up the shutters and the patio door, and there is a sitting area here. I'm going to start in one corner and just pan out. So we have a sitting area here. You can kind of see the pool down there, and enough space for another sitting area over here. I want to give you a nice view of the mountains that you can see. Isn't that beautiful? And let's take a look at the pool area. You can set up patio chairs and tables and have all kinds of fun. Kids would love this backyard space. There's lots of privacy. So in summary, for 104 Charles Earl Lane in Maryville, Tennessee, in Trotwood Farms subdivision, priced at $730,000, is a 2-story traditional brick home. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, nearly 4,900 square feet on 3/4 acre on a corner lot. Beautiful coffered ceilings, 2 laundry rooms, in-ground pool and outdoor living space, and the dues are $150 a year. This is a beautiful subdivision, and we're going to see one more house in the subdivision. Let's go. If you're interested, Kathi Browne, Coldwell Banker.